What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Shano TV, and I'm back with another video, man. So today, hold on, let me. Goddamn. All right, so today, man, I was on. What was I on? I was on Twitter, and I seen the new chicken sandwiches back. The last time I tried to go and get me a chicken sandwich, they were sold out. Why am I so close? What is going on? Last time I tried to go get a chicken sandwich, they were sold out. So today, I'm about to go try to get another chicken sandwich. If they don't got this chicken sandwich, look, man, I'm finna go try to get this chicken sandwich, man, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. Oh. Hey, man, just got my chicken sandwich. I paid $7 for this sandwich. If this sandwich ain't paying my bills by next week, I'ma kill somebody. Woo! Alright, bro. Let's do this taste test, man. Look at this. Chicken sandwich. Yo, where's my french fries at? This shit. Hold on. Oh, this. Damn. Yeah, hold on. Y'all thought I eat. Nigga eating pickle, nigga. Nasty ass food. Hey, if you eat pickles, you disgust me. Okay? And if you ain't eating this with barbecue sauce, you disgust me. I'm eating all the fries. I'm hungry. Alright. Oh. Alright. Look at this. Look at it. Here we go. All right. Hold on. Hold the fuck up! My nigga. Hold on. Hold up. Hold on. Nigga. I'm finna take a hold on. I know I'm not tripping. I'm finna dip this on the barbecue sauce too. I ain't get. My nigga. Oh my fuck. Oh, I just know you lying. Hold on. Hey. Hey! You had this? You had this fucking chicken sandwich yet, nigga?
Yeah.
My nigga, this shit is amazing, nigga! Hold on, nigga. Hey, man. This nigga. Hold on. Hold. 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 Where the French fries at? I know. I'm finna go whoop somebody's ass for this sandwich. I'll go rob somebody. My nigga. Oh no. This shit is amazing. As y'all can see, that shit was good. I almost tore the house nigga. I had threw my jacket on the floor. Oh, excuse me. They ran upstairs. I woke up my brother. Hold on, man. Look at it. Hold on. If y'all ain't got that chicken sandwich yet, call me and I'll buy it for you. Fuck you talking about, nigga. I'll go back and buy 3 of them for myself, nigga. Cause that shit was good as fuck. Woo! Nigga, alright, man. But as y'all can see, man, nigga, I see why people going crazy over this chicken sandwich. Beating people up and fighting. Look, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Your boy just ate that chicken sandwich for the first time. I see why I went out of stock. Excuse me. And I'll be back with another banger. Woo!